Yes!
Fucking mud guy.
Still going. Now that come off. That come off. And that snapped. Sweet.
On my YouTube channel.
Nah. What's stuck?
Cut it out. Are you...
So where's the leak? Where? Can't really see. Oh. Why are they? There's a bolt missing out of that and that one's loose. What's that? I shut it off.
Yes.